Have you ever faced a problem that seemed impossible to solve? Let me introduce you to the fishbone diagram. The fishbone diagram is a tool used for brainstorming causes or factors to a problem. It's important for avoiding jumping to conclusions and settling on one potential cause without considering others. To use a fishbone diagram, we must first define the problem correctly. At the head of the fish, we write down the problem. This is the effect. Next, we brainstorm categories or utilize standard categories such as machine, material, method, people, and measurement. We then have our team brainstorm potential factors or causes that result in the effect. After the team brainstorms these categories, the next step is to begin investigating, typically through experimentation and data collection. And that's exactly what we're going to do here, but using available data. Let's take a real example. Suppose while doing rejection analysis we identified that blowhole trend is increasing. Use dashboard to understand the trend of blowhole. We want to identify the root cause of blowhole. Since Sandman has the real-time data of sand parameters, we can use its feature Fishbone Analytics to identify the changes happen between the good and bad period. Here's how to proceed. Click on the Fishbone Analytics tab. Select and choose the defect type as blowhole. By default, the system picks the last 1 year as the date range. Click the Submit icon. Once submitted, you'll see a bar chart trend for blowhole rejection, spanning the entire year. Below the chart, you'll notice 2 key periods. Reference period. This is the time frame with the lowest rejection rate automatically picked. Comparison period. This is the period you want to analyze. Example recent period or some other period where rejection was relatively high. Select that month as your comparison period and click Submit again. Now scroll down. Your fishbone chart will be generated automatically. This chart is designed by MPM PVT Limited. In the fishbone charts, the head denotes the defects and the bones are the possible causes of the defects. Even if you don't have machine or process parameter data, Sandman uses available properties to highlight what might be causing the defect. You'll see 3 different plots: box plot, distribution plot, scatter plot, and below that, a bar chart showing absolute change in property deviation percentage. Let's take an example. In the box plot, you'll find 2 boxes for each property. One for reference period, left, and one for comparison period, right. Say, for the property inert fines. Median in reference period 1.81. Median in comparison period April 2025 1.97. This suggests that inert fines were operating higher in April 2025, which could be a potential reason for the increase in blowhole rejections. In the distribution plot, you can visually compare how the property has shifted across both periods. The scatter plot shows the relationship between the rejection and the sand parameters. The reference and the comparison points are highlighted in different color. The overall shift in the median between reference and the comparison period is shown in the bar plot. The parameters which show significant shift might be the potential cause of the defects. This visual insight helps you quickly within just 5 to 10 minutes. Understand the probable root cause. Once you're confident with the insights, you can even add a defect image. Mention your comments or observations. And finally, click Save and Generate. That's it. You'll now have a complete root cause analysis report ready to share or present. Thanks for watching. In our next video, we'll explore how to use corrective action features inside the dashboard.